Hey everybody, it's Michelle Metzner and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a new customized course homepage in the D2L Learning Management System. So let's get started. When you first log into D2L, you land on the landing page, and this just shows all of the courses that you have access to and can possibly make changes to. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this first class right here just by clicking on it. And when you enter your course, you are on the home page. Now, sometimes you don't like the way that the home page is laid out and you want to make some changes to it. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to create a new customized home page. So to start, we're going to click on the course admin link up here in the upper navigation bar. And once we're in here, we're going to look for the site setup area, which is this first area. And we're going to click on Home Pages. So once we're here, we need to look for our course homepage, which is right here. And we see that this is the default homepage. And we're going to click on this little drop-down menu and just click Copy. In order to change our homepage properties, we need to go ahead and click this blue link that says Course Homepage Copy. And this will take us into our editor. So the first thing we want to do is we want to give it a new name. So we will go ahead and just call this Metzner Homepage. Right now I'm going to skip the description because it's the homepage. There's really nothing to describe. We are going to come back down here and take a look at our options under type. We can choose widget based, we can choose tool, or we can choose external URL. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and keep that as widget based. Our next section is the header, and I want to go ahead and click include homepage header. And in this little box right here, I want to go ahead and name it Metzner Practice Course. Now, the layout section right here has several different options. If we click Change Layout, you will see all of the options that you have available to you. We can do just one big panel right here. We could do the basic, which is we've got two panels. There's a large one on the left and a smaller one on the right. We can do Basic Plus, which has three panels. There's a large one across the bottom, a larger one on the left, and a smaller one on the right. We can do a large left panel, which has two larger panels at the top and bottom, a large left one on the left, or I'm sorry, a large panel on the left and a smaller panel on the right. We could do the opposite with the large right panel, where the large panel is on the right and the smaller one is on the left. We can do a large middle panel. So this is actually 5 panels with a super large top and bottom, a large one in the middle, and then smaller ones on the left and right. We can do 3 equal panels in the middle right here. We can do 2 equal panels in the middle. Okay, so those are all of your options. Right now, we're going to go ahead and just leave this as the basic layout. So we're just going to sit, we can just hit close because basic was what was chosen already. All right, as we scroll down, we get to the widgets area, okay? And so we're going to enter this add widgets area for the left side. And when I do that, we're going to look through all of our options until we find the news widget. And I'm going to click news and then add, because I do want to go ahead and add that to the home page. And then we want to come over here to the right side and update these. So I'm going to click the add widgets on the right side. And all the way down at the bottom, I'm looking for update. So I'm going to click updates right here and click add. And then I want to go ahead and move updates to the top. So I just clicked on this little handle here, the several dots on the left side, held it and dragged it. I also want to go ahead and get rid of the calendar. So to do that, I just mouse over the calendar widget and click this X in the upper right hand corner. And so we'll go from updates to content browser. Okay. All right. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and save and close this. And so now under active homepage, which is this little tiny thing right here, I'm going to click the drop down menu and I'm going to find Metzner homepage, which is the one I just created. And I will click that and then I will hit apply. We know that it is now active because in the list, you see Metzner homepage here, and over on the right, it says active. So now I'm going to click on the home page or the home button in the upper navigation menu. And here we have our news widget right here in the left. And then over on the right, we have updates here at the top, like we set it. All right, so that was just a real quick and dirty on how to create a new customized course homepage in D2L. As always, if you have any questions, please email me at michelle.metzner@right.edu, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time.